let's get it on. Alright. Ayan pala si Kapli, ano, si Lido, mating. Ayan, so guys, pupunta kami sa ano, magpa-participate kami ngayon sa Luzon leg ng Honda Convention, ano, Honda Convention Luzon leg. So dito kami pupunta sa ano, sa Nasugbu. Na Forest Crest ba? Forest Crest. Nasugbu, Batangas. Yan. 35 kilometers. 35 kilometers galing dito sa Shell Nubali. Ayan, around 47 minutes. Pero siguro kung ipapactor in natin yung traffic, baka mga isang oras din. Kasi ayan mo, madami nang umaakyat eh. Alright, let's get it on. Yun, makita na ng parkingan. Pasok pa sa loob yan. Ayan, recording.
Kami sa EDSA.
EDSA lang Tagaytay. Ayan guys. Oh, yung sa baba yung aming ano, venue. Ayan, dito na kami sa Forest Crest. Dito kami nag-party sa kabila, pero dito ang venue. Laki.
Pupunta kayo na ako.
Yun o, imprint ha, mga sponsors. Dami o. Yung mga games din kasi.
Laki ng god pa. Hindi na lang ginawang slide ito. Banking.
Oh, banking oh. Oh. Yun o. Oh, mga obstacle course. Ako ay, ano yan? Sa tayo pipila doon pa sa likod. Walk-in. Ay, ito yung mga walk-in. Ayun yung pre-register doon tayo. Kami walk-in.
Pagkalang po sa lahat ng rider.
Dami. Ikaw na dun sa ano.
Yung pipila sa likod.
Sa lahat po ng riders na bagong dating po, maaari lamang po tayo pumila po doon po sa line-up po natin.
Tayo.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride.
Kap, ito yung freebies oh. Freebies.
Ano ba laman? Ano ba laman?
May cup. Tapos hindi ko alam ano ba to.
T-shirt.
T-shirt o long
T-shirt
sleeve.
yan. Jersey. Jersey. Puta maganda.
Oh, maganda.
Paano wala yung papel?
Tapos meron pa kami. Afternoon.
Yun, oh.
Snacks, lunch. Ito yung mga kasama.
Oh.
Honda.
Yan. Yan yung mga registered riders.
Break free of history. This train is racing straight ahead. No man can hold like I can. I'm the queen of the love. Haters gonna hate. Won't be sorry now. Shoot me down, but I'll rise again. I'm laying down the law, and you've been served. For my theory, my feeling, been holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing. If you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time.
Ma'am, kamusta experience yan? Smooth. Hindi naman masyadong malakas. O tama lang. Hindi ka naman nabibitin.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride.
Vice President of Finance, Mr. Yasunori Minamoto. President for Manufacturing, Mr. Goneri Yamamoto. And the President is Ms. Sayaka Arai. Before we proceed with the ceremony, let's take a photo to immortalize this moment. Smile for the camera, everyone. Okay. Thank you very much to our distinguished leaders. Let's take more souvenir photos. Alright. There you have it. The 2024 Honda Riders Convention is now open. One passion
I am very much excited to welcome you all to this year's Honda Riders Convention in Luzon, our fourth comeback after the pandemic. This series of successful events is a testament of Honda's commitment to excellence and innovation. It reflects our unwavering dedication to providing the best experience for our riders. We are proud to celebrate this milestone with our community and look forward to continuing to bring joy and excitement to every Honda rider. As we embark on this journey together, let us remember the spirit of camaraderie, safety, and respect for one another. Let's make this convention a testament to the strong bond we become united by one passion, one ride, and one Honda. Let us all together create a fantastic day filled with fun, excitement, and unforgettable experience with your Honda family. Let's ride safe and ride responsibly. Thank you and enjoy the ride.
Thank you so much, Miss Sayaka Aray, our team Honda Riders, mag-ingay! Grabe ang saya, partner!
Totoo, Tanya. Ang saya-saya talaga makita ng mga very passionate nating Honda riders in one venue. Mula Mindanao, papunta sa Visayas, at ngayon, dito naman, mag-ingay Tagaluzon! Tayong lahat, sama-sama together dahil ang saya dito sa 2024 Honda Riders Convention Luzon Leg! Tinatanggap mo ba ang sigsig
at ang aking pagmamahal
at ang aking pagmamahal sa habang buhay? 1, 2, 3! Ayan, sa Honda Riders Convention 2024!
Honda, mag-ingay!
Palakpakan naman! The Grand Rumble Drum! And new PCX 160! Maupo muna kayong lahat. Yung tatayo lang, yun yung winner. Para kita agad. Maupo muna. Eto na, ang totoong winner ng PCX 160 Randomizer. Wow!
Mga naman,
Grabe! Grabe yung ano, yung excitement ni Onexo ba yung pangalan? Onexo?
Oo.
Oh, eto